Hi folks, welcome back to cleanest Garage. Another kit overview today, and this is the Fujimi Toyota Prius G Touring Selection. This kit was bought as a part of a buddy build with the Kent Models mystery boxes. So a few of us on Instagram all decided to buy the bronze level mystery box from Kent Models, where you pick a random kit and they send it out to you, and it works out a little bit cheaper, but you don't get to choose what you want. So bit of variation in kits, and this is the kit that I got. It's the Fujimi Toyota Prius. So quickly have a wee look at the box. You get your artwork there on the front. A couple of photos of the completed model on the side there, with a list of Mr. Hobby colours. Got the same artwork on the side. That's part of the Fujimi ID line, the number 151, and on the back your usual warning signs and stuff. So a bit of an unusual kit for me. Would it be something that I'd normally pick, but really interested to see what's inside. So give me a wee second and I'll open the box and get everything out of the bags, and we'll take a closer look at the sprues. Okay, I've got all the bags opened up, and we will start off by taking a really quick look at the instruction manual. So usually these ID line Fujimi kits, they are pretty basic, but this one actually has an extra page. What I'm used to is usually just a 2-page instruction manual, but this actually has an extra page on the back there. And next up we'll take a quick look at the decals and the window stickers. We've got decals here, all your various Toyota badges, number plates there, your digital dash, get a little heads up display there too, and it looks like your Japanese tax discs and stuff at the side there. And then we've got quite a lot of window stickers because there is quite a lot of windows in this car, quite a large greenhouse in it, so it's quite a lot of masking off to do. The first sprue we will take a look at, we have got the interior tub with the seat bases moulded in. So it's a bit disappointing when the seat bottoms are moulded in. This doesn't actually look too bad, but it tends to find when you've got these interior tubs, it means that the door cards and stuff aren't very well detailed, and they are incredibly hard to paint. So look at the rear seat back there, 2 front seats, and we've got a couple of suspension shock absorber springs, centre console. Also got the front grille piece there, it fits in the vents on the front bumper and front grille, your Toyota steering wheel and your steering column. Not sure what the piece is above that there, I'm sure I'll figure that out when I come to build it. And I've got the dashboard. It's a very big, very deep dashboard. It's reasonably detailed, quite a lot of vents and stuff in there. They seem to be pretty well defined. Got your window wipers, wing mirrors, it looks like your gear lever and aerial. So next sprue we have got the chassis. Although if everything's moulded into the chassis, it's actually quite well detailed. It's very well defined. very, very basic, but it's obviously a more recent tooling, as this car wasn't released until 2009. This is the Mark III Prius, so it's one of the more recent ones. So the tooling's, the oldest the tooling's going to be is 10 years old. So everything's reasonably well defined. You get your front subframe there too, and you've got your rear subframe and your brakes. Shock absorbers for the rear, I'm guessing. Got your steering rack and axle. I'll show you what these parts are for. Looks like some light backings, number plates, more brakes. Wondering if these are something else. And you've got your front wheel hubs there as well. So next up we've got your clear sprue. Quite a big glass area in this car. Glass is very nice and clear. Got your rear window there. It's a split level rear window. Rear and front light covers. Some side markers and stuff here too. We've got a couple of chrome sprues now, so we have got the lights front and rear. Also got the wing mirrors and your back box exhaust. I'm not sure what that piece is there at the bottom. And then we have got the standard Prius wheels that are finished in that kind of more matte chrome, which I much prefer to the super shiny stuff. I'll probably still strip that off and repaint it. They're very nice. And we've got some very, very nice Dunlop tyres. These are probably the best tyres that I've seen in a Fujimi kit. Tread is super well defined and there's no seams, anything like that. So you've got 4 of them, and you've got 4 poly caps as well. And then, last but not least, got a couple of sprues here, but we've got the body shell. Get a little bit of something stuck to that there. So it's very cleanly moulded. Like I say, it'll be a recent tooling. It was very nice. It was very solid. Had to look for some mould lines there, but it's very, very little. They aren't even in the usual places. You usually have them in the front corners of the bumpers, running up the back. A little bit here on this corner here, but they're very, very well hidden. I have to say, this is one of the cleanest Fujimi bodies that I've had yet. Oops. Very, very nicely moulded. Now I've got one more sprue here, and it is the roof panel. It fits on the top here, so you've got a separately moulded roof panel. Not sure that fits in here. I believe some of the Priuses came with some sort of different roof. I don't know if it was one of these kind of sky roofs or something. It means that you can paint the roof a different colour. I've never really seen that before, but yeah, it means if you were wanting to do a different coloured roof, super easy to paint, no masking needed. Just paint it, pop it on, away you go. So that was the Fujimi Toyota Prius G Touring Edition. Like I say, wouldn't normally pick this kit. It is part of a buddy build that we're doing with a mystery box from Kent Models. This was the bronze tier, £17.99 I believe it is, and you get a random kit up to the value of £25, and this is the one that I got. I think in the build off we've got Toyota BB, Honda CRZ, Honda NSX, Dodge Viper, and I'm forgetting the others. A Toyota, a Nissan Cedric / Gloria, and a Mini Cooper, I believe. So it's a pretty varied mix of cars, and just a little fun build off that we're doing between some people that we speak to on Instagram. So just having that as a bit of fun and see how it all turns out. So if you want to check out the build off, follow me on Instagram. I'll put a list of the other fellas in the description. You can check them out on Instagram as well, and see how we all get on. So if you made it to this far in the video, if you enjoyed it, always appreciate a like, a subscription, a comment, a reply to as many comments as I can, and remember to follow me on Instagram at cleanest garage, and I will see you in a future video. Cheers, bye.